everyone, welcome back to my class. In the previous class, I have told you that from today we are going to start the writing part. The first activity in the writing part is scribbling. So, you may think why scribbling is needed for the child before writing. Because scribbling supports muscle and hand-eye coordination as well as emotional release. Movements are generally large and the child is often more interested in the marks they create rather than drawing objects. According to child care, that is, scribbling is a very important phase of children aged 18 months to 5 years. It is a visual way for them to communicate and interact in a meaningful way with the adults in their lives, and also helps children to develop their coordination, creativity and literacy skills. So, we shall start with the scribbling. In the beginning, just give the child free space to scribble. Let him scribble wherever he wants. Do not give any boundary to the child. Just let him scribble with a crayon. As thick crayon you can provide the child with the thicker one. Let him scribble wherever he wants in the blank space. This is the first step. So what is the next step? Let us see. I'll use the back side of this paper and I'll take one more color of crayon. Just I'll create a boundary. Whatever the shape I want, whether it may be circular, I have taken a square. Now ask the child to scribble inside this shape itself. Then the child will start to scribble inside the shape. He won't go out of the boundary. Let him complete it. So what is the next step? Decrease the size of the boundary in the next step. I am using the same sheet of paper. Go on giving. Go on decreasing. You can change the shape also. Let the child scribble inside the shapes given to the decreased size of the shape. As a continued part, I am starting the sandpaper letter tracing. The first letter which I am going to introduce to the child is letter A. The sandpaper letters are cut out of 0 numbered sandpaper and pasted to the right of the wooden blocks. But here I don't have the sandpaper letter. As I am making the video from my home, I am showing the customized material. Dear parents, if you can get the 0 numbered sandpaper around your house in the hardware shops, please purchase it and cut the 0 sized sandpaper letter in the form of letter A and paste it on any paper, any hard paper. You can use the invitation cards, the old invitation cards, the wrappers of the notebooks which are little bit thick to paste this cutout of alphabets. Now I'll show you how the child should trace the letters, and then I'll tell you what is the help of tracing the sandpaper letters. Place your left palm to the left of the sandpaper letter. Then trace with the index and middle fingers. Slightly lower the middle finger and then start the tracing work. Trace it as it should be done, as I am showing. A. Utter the sound of the letter when the tracing ends. Once again I will show you. A. A. Trace a few times and then ask the child to take over. After tracing a letter, we have to give some interesting commands to the child. I'll help you how we should do it. Say to the child, now I am going to say few words. Tell me if you listen a sound. Because we have introduced the letter a here, I'll go on giving the words which contains this sound to the child and I'll ask the child to recognize it. The words are cat. I'll tell the child when I say k-at, cat, do you listen to the sound a? Then the child may say yes. If the child won't recognize the sound, once again go for tracing and utter the sound after the tracing. Ask the child to practice it. The next word under a sound that I am going to give is mat. Ask the child, when I say at, mat, do you listen to the a sound? The child may say yes. The next word is napkin. When I say napkin, napkin, do you listen to the a sound? The child will say yes. In the same way, go on giving the n number of words which contains a sound and ask the child to recognize it. Now, I'll move on to the next letter which I am going to introduce today. As it is, place the left palm here and start tracing with point finger and middle finger. E. The sound for letter I is E. 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 After tracing it several times, ask the child to take over. Then go on giving the words to recognize. When I say pin, P-E-N, pin, do you listen to the sound E? Ask the child. When I say bin, B-E-N, bin, do you listen to the sound E? When I say ink, 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 do you listen to the sound E? Go on giving the words which contains E sound. The next letter that I am going to give is letter O. Keep the left palm here and start tracing from here. O. 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 Trace it several times and let the child take over. Then go on giving the words. When I say orange, 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 do you listen to the O sound? The child may say yes. In the same way, give n number of words to the child. The next letter is U. A. 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 Let the child take over the tracing. Then go on giving the words. When I say mud, mud, do you listen to the sound a? The child may say yes. The same way, go on giving the words. Let the child recognize it. So, in today's class, we have learnt the sound for letter A. It is A. E, O, and A. These are 4 vowels. These are called as basic vowels. The letter E is also a vowel, but we won't introduce it to the child in this stage. We shall introduce it later. So, what is the use of these sandpaper letters? This sandpaper letter helps the child to prepare himself for writing and reading, to grow conscious with regard to spoken language as we are uttering the sounds. It exercises his fingers while tracing the letters, then directing fingers to reproduce the shape while writing. Also by helping his muscular memory to retain the shape of letter. This is the very important use of sandpaper letter. Once again I'll repeat it. By helping his muscular memory to retain the shape of letter. Because the nerves are connected, the nerves end are in the fingertips. This is very important. By getting to know the sounds of symbol and associating them to sound while writing, the child will learn the sound of the letter and also the shape while tracing it. And by developing a visual memory for shapes of letters and reproducing the same. Dear parents, kindly customize the material. If 0 numbered sandpaper is not available, you can make some impressions on the paper for these letters. For example, you can paste some spices like mustard or jeera in the letter shapes, and you can ask the child to trace it. If you like today's video, kindly like and subscribe my channel for further interesting videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.